In 2 minutes or less, I'm going to show you how to grow a small Forex account starting with just 20 bucks. You've probably seen this spreadsheet before, and I've gotten a lot of complaints about the lack of modularity here. So I made a new spreadsheet for you. I just uploaded it 5 minutes ago. The whole concept of the spreadsheet is being able to take $20 and using compounding and never withdrawing from the account, using compounding after 30 successful trades, like 30 winning trades, you will get it to $52,000. Basically, whatever your starting balance is, you're trying to gain 30% on the trade. So for 20 bucks, the profit goal is $6, and then your ending balance is 26. This information gets taken to the next level and you do it over and over and over again. And when you have a losing trade, you basically just go back a level with a little extra. Now before it was just a static spreadsheet, but now I've added these 4 boxes to the left right here. So now you can start with any balance that you want that's over 20 bucks. Because if it's less than 20 bucks, you won't be able to actually execute the first trade. So now let's say you want to start with 100 bucks, but you want to do less risk. You don't want to risk 15% per trade. Let's say you want to do traditional trading and you want to risk 1% per trade. And let's say you're looking for a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio and you still want a stop loss of around 10 pips, looking for a 20 pip take profit. Now, after 30 successful trades, you'll have $181, and that's traditional, good, healthy risk management. And you can use this and mark each completed level, put notes of winning or losing trades. You can grab the screenshot URL from TradingView and put it in here. But the whole goal of this is to allow you to be able to leverage a small amount of money and grow it into something more substantial. If you just bump up the risk to 10% and keep the risk multiplier at a 1 to 2, so for the first trade, you're risking 10%, which is $10, and you're expecting a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, so you're expecting 20 bucks as the win. Still using 10 pips as your stop loss, you can now see that this is a more manageable, reasonable expectation, taking 100 bucks to 23,000. And you don't have to adjust anything on this spreadsheet anymore. It's just these 4 boxes on the side. So if you want the new challenge spreadsheet, go to tmafx.com. On there, the third icon down will be the 20 pip challenge file. Just click that and it'll download onto your desktop and you can adjust it however you please. Thanks so much for watching and we will see you in the next one.